Hi guys, it's Sam from Creatively Sam's. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you stopped by. Today's video is day 6 of 12 Days of Christmas Ornaments. If you want to see how I did this, stay tuned. It's coming up next. Well, I got out a whole bunch of my pearls. And most of these are flat back. These are from the Dollar Tree, which I don't know if you remember a few of my projects, but I'm really partial to these. But I've got flat back pearls that are adhesive. I have regular pearls on a string, but I don't think I'm going to use it for this. But I've got the glass ball. And to be honest with you, I think I'm going to use this, and I may pop some of these in between. Although this is white and most of these are an off-white or a cream. So, we'll see. The one thing I have learned from using these, since these are stickers, is that hot glue gun will melt them. So, if you're going to anchor it at all, you want to anchor the center with a very tiny bit of hot glue. But to be honest with you, if you do use hot glue for all of it, it may stretch. Ask me how I know. I'm probably going to use the gem tack because I don't want the heat, and I'm not really sure how an E6000 of super glue quick hold, I'm not sure how that will work. So also, if you only need part of this, like here, this is one I've used before, and I cut it off, but as you can see, some of them are missing. So you've got to cut around the one is you're going to keep, and this one you won't be using, because it's just going to have a nasty look to it if you don't. And like I said, I've got all my other pearls. I'm not real sure what I'm going to do. I may even fill this. I was looking in my pearl drawer, and I completely forgot that I had these, and these are just plastic. I know I got them at Walmart years ago, but they're iridescent clear beads, and they're a few different sizes. So I'm not sure if I'm going to use this or just leave it as is. We'll have to see how it looks. Okay, I'm going to get busy peeling these off and starting to put them on here and there, and I don't know how close I'm going to make them, but we'll see. Okay, I cut some of these 8 pearls long, and I've got them quartered. And these are 7 long, and I'm going to put them in between. Okay, I've got a whole bunch of these where I've had to cut the rhinestones out to make the other end nice and round like that. So what I'm going to do is take the pearl out and put that in there, and I won't have to worry about it being cream or like a grayish. It's going to match perfectly. So I'm just going to put one in between each, and we'll see if I have any left over. I'm not sure that I'm going to. Okay, I decided to put some bling wrapper on the top just to bring up the rhinestones to the whole thing. And I put the little pearls in between. And I thought about filling it, and to be honest with you, I really like the way it is just that way. It's simple enough, and yet it's reflective enough where when the lights in the tree hit it, it's going to glow. So, if you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe, and happy creating, everyone.